Check on what is happening in terms of mitigating COVID-19 across the counties. The national and county governments have been challenged to enhance efforts aimed at cushioning Kenyans from the adverse effects of the coronavirus pandemic in the wake of societal vices that have threatened to reverse gains made in the fight against retrogressive cultural practices. According to Mwachidudu, Chimera of the Action Aid, poverty is partly to blame for teen pregnancies witnessed across the country during the coronavirus pandemic.
Speaking during presentation of dignity kits in Makima, location of Mbeere South in Embu County, Action Aid Regional Officer Mwachidudu Chimera said the country has been recording worrying levels of teen pregnancies. Kajiado County leads with 5,834 cases, followed by Makueni with 2,529, Garissa County 1,442, with Embu having recorded 932 cases. Mwachidudu says abject poverty was one of the factors contributing to girls being enticed into sex by men who offered to buy them sanitary towels.
Yote ambayo anashughulika na kuweka mimba watoto ni achukuliwe hatua. Kwa sababu hakuna njia nyingine. Ni kumdhulumu. Yeye ataenda wapi kama shapata mimba? Kama nilivyokuwa nataja hapa. Mtoto akivulana yeye ataendelea na masomo yake ama mtu aendelea na shughuli zake. Msichana yeye atabaki nyuma, sasa atazidi kurudi nyuma.
In the meantime, Teso North Member of Parliament Oku Kaunya has urged the government to address corruption allegations against KEMSA and take action against those who will be found culpable. Speaking in Chemasiri Vocational Training Center in Teso North constituency, advantage of the pandemic to fleece Kenyans should be treated as criminals.
People who want to harvest from death, people who want to harvest when people are sick of COVID should not be left. These fellows should be in the bus. They should not be left, and I would want to support and urge the government that these people should be arrested, whatever they are, whatever level they are. Wawekwe ndani.
And residents of Samburu County have been asked to continue to observe the Ministry of Health guidelines aimed at preventing the spread of COVID-19 disease. These after the county reported 6 new COVID-19 cases, bringing the total number of COVID-19 infections within the county to 45. County Executive Member in charge of Health, Stephen Lekupe, says 80 to 95% of the reported cases have been placed on home-based care.
To tell the members of our community should now follow all the Ministry of Health guidelines because the disease is here with us. It's really spreading among the members of the community. We are now intensifying our disease surveillance. We want to go deep into the interior.
And a cyclist who embarked on a journey to sensitize Kenyans on the dangers of COVID-19 disease on 6th August in Moyale has arrived in Kisumu on Tuesday, having covered 928 kilometers. Frederick Ochieng, who is a shoe shiner in Marsabit, say he decided to take the ride to help enforce COVID-19 prevention measures put in place by the government to contain the disease. His journey will culminate in Busia on Saturday.
Nilijiangalia kama kijana mwananchi wa Kenya hii, watoto wangu wale wadogo, je, watapata nchi hii kwa aje? Ndio nikachukua jukumu.
I just want to also join him in saying that indeed as public or members of the public in Kisumu, the people of Kisumu, we need to continue with the what we have been asked to do in as far as prevention of this pandemic is concerned.
Beatrice Gatonyengetich, Channel 1 News.